Guys, welcome to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber and to this channel, make sure you smash on the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn the notification bell so that you will receive a notification whenever I drop an awesome videos like this. Yes, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make money online, especially if you're in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria, this is a good news for you. You can actually make money online with your smartphone. So let's go through the video. Make sure you like this video, smash on the subscribe button, turn the notification bell, and comment. Let me see your comment in the comment box, and make sure you share this video to your friends. This is what I will use to determine if you need this type of video so that I can make more of this type. So please make sure you share this video to your friends and let them take advantage of this opportunity too. So now let's go straight into what I have for you today. Who is this for? This is for anyone who wants to make money online. If you are new to the online space and you want something you can do without you investing, maybe investing money or anything that you can just do to start making money, this is for you. So this is for anybody who wants to make money online per se. So now, what are the requirements? Not the requirement. The requirement is your smartphone. Requirement is your smartphone. Data, yes, everybody, you must need data. You need data and you need time. You need time. Anything you want to do in this world, you also need time. It's not a get quick rich scheme that you will start doing today and you will get the money. Yes, you will surely get money, but it still requires some time. Do you get it? So that's what I'm trying to explain. You can start today and start making money today. Yes, with this, what I want to teach you, you can start today and start making money today. Even I will practicalize this, you can see how I'm making the money. So what is the next thing that you need? The next thing that you need is a Nigeria bank account. Yes, you need a Nigeria bank account, and I'm sure you have your smartphone and data. That's why you are watching this video on YouTube right now. So the next thing is you don't need a skill. Yes, you don't need any skill to start. And yes, it is free. It is free to start. Disclaimer. Yes, disclaimer. Disclaimer is this is an opportunity for you to make money online, but you don't really need to rely on this method because there's limit to what you can make. If you want to make millions, billions of dollars or of Naira, this method is not advisable. This is not the best method. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because I have a bonus for you. So I will be giving you bonus. This is just a 1% of means to make money online, and if you subscribe to this channel, you will be notified when I drop that on how to make money online and how to build a profitable online business. So make sure you smash on the subscribe button and share this video. Let me see your comments. Give this video a thumbs up. So now, this your personal skills pays more. So I will tell you the truth. I won't deceive you. So that's just it. You want to make a lot of money online, you really need to have skills. So now, yes, I'll give you a bonus. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video. Let's go right now to my phone so that we can do that.
Yes, guys, the website is Nairaworkers.com. Nairaworkers.com. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'll be revealing some things about this site that you really need to know. So let's go ahead. So I will sign into my account right now, and make sure you don't have more than one account because your account will be blocked. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is just to click the link, use the link in the description, then you click on register. Make sure you use the link in the description so that you don't miss any bonus that you should get. So when you use the link, then you click on register here. So let's try that. Click on register. So after you click on register, you'll be asked to put your first name, your last name, and your username. So you need to input that. You need to input your email. Email is very essential, so that make sure you use a good email so that you can confirm your account. And can you see that creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited, so you must have one account. So that being said, let's go ahead to what we have. So let me sign into my home account right now. So I'm signing into my account. Can you see welcome back online master? So this is a survey site, like you need to complete some tasks. This is a website that a lot of people come to put their tasks, what they need for people to do for them. So your own is to complete that task and make money through that. And through this, if you give your time to it, you can make more than 5,000 daily or up to 5,000 daily. If it is 1,000, you can be able to make 1,000 daily, 3,000 daily is enough to, you know how much that will be by the end of the month. So now you click on available jobs. So these are the jobs that are available. So you can choose the most recent jobs that are available, and you can also choose highest paying. Can you see I select highest paying, that means highest paying jobs. Can you see job? This one is this job, which is 500 naira. Imagine doing this kind of job, doing like 10 of this daily. Can you see you can actually make up to that? Can you see this one, which is 100 naira? Can you see? So we have a lot of jobs, that you can do, and they are very simple tasks. All you have to do is just to complete some simple tasks that won't take you more than 2 minutes for each, even 3 minutes. Some will even take you seconds to complete that. Can you see? So you have load of jobs that you can fulfill, and you can fulfill that you can make money from. So right now, so I do that in front of you guys. So let me click on most recent. So I will look for anyone that I have interest in, so that I can quickly complete and do. So let me do this one of 7 naira right now. Then I click on view job. Can you see that? Let me go back and show you something. Okay, can you see that the goal of the person that posts this job is to have 257 person in the group, and 45 persons have taken the task already. So that means every 45 person, all these 45 person will get this 7.20 naira once their work has been approved. Once they do what he asks them to do, so they will surely get the money. So it's very trusted. So now, what is expected from workers? So now it said kindly join the WhatsApp group link. So you click on this link. Required proof is send proof that you joined the group. Can you see this task is very simple, and that is what I will do right now. Then I will earn that 7.20 naira. So let me click on the group link. Can you see? So I will have to join the group here. So let me click on join group. So let me screenshot this. So let me screenshot this so that as an evidence that I have joined the group. So I also screenshot the description. I also screenshot this description. Can you see 120 participants is in this group already? Can you see? So this is me here. This is my number. This is my mini. So now let me go back. Then I go back to give him proof. Then I can say I have joined the group. I've joined the group. So then I put the screenshot that I just did. Let me put the 2 screenshots. So that one for that one, and the second one as well. The second one. So I've put one screenshot. So now the second screenshot. Can you see? I don't really need. Let me just put the bit that too. I screenshot too. So let me put it there for confirmation and click on submit proof. Can you see? Your proof has been submitted and will be verified. So immediately the person verified that you really joined the group. So you will earn 7 naira, 7.20 naira. So let's go ahead to my dashboard right now and to my wallet. So let's see what I have there. Can you see? Initially I have 27. I have something like 20 naira here. So before, that's what I have initially. So immediately after completing that task, can you see this is ending 30 naira 0.90? Can you see 30 naira 0.90? And immediately all those works are confirmed, and I'll be able to withdraw. Immediately to my bank account. Let me show you my account. So that's it, and you can also refer people. So when you refer people to sign up, you will also make money. So this is where you can refer people. Anybody that sign up through you, you will make money through them, and it is free to sign up. All you have to do is just to read their terms and conditions. So after reading their terms and conditions and you are okay with that, you are good to go. So this is the simplest way method that you can use to make money in, especially if you are in Nigeria right now. So I want you to tell me in the comment box if you will try this out. Now that we know how the website works, it is important for us to know if they are very trusted. That is the reason why you have to watch this video to the very end. And know that I promise that I will give you a bonus. I give you a bonus at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, and I will reveal some things about this website. So let's see what people are saying about this website. Although done my research and I see they are very trusted because they have started for long. So let's search website and see what people are saying. Most people are saying. Can you see on Trust Wallet? This is a site that allow you to know if a certain website are very trusted. So can you see they have 60 reviews, which gives them excellent, So can you see what people are saying about this platform? Can you see the date? Let's check the date. The date is very important. Can you see February 26, 2022? This one is also February 26, 2022. And I'm recording this video at 2022. So can you see that uh people are saying that Nairaworkers is really great. Nairaworkers is a legit site for the Nairaworkers is a legit site for the freelancers in Nigeria to make some money. Like it is only available for Nigeria citizens. Yes, that's what it is. That's what Anane Ade say. And another person say Nairaworkers is legit. Happy to get my money today or some. So let's see another thing. Can you see? And so this is what people are saying. This is what people are saying about the website. Automatically, the website is trusted and is trusted. Now to the bonus I talked about in the video. What if I can guarantee you a non-failing system to make money online? I made the simplest way to make money online even if you're a complete beginner to the online space, which is called affiliate marketing. Based on popular demand, I have decided to train the first 200 people on how to make their first 1 million through affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description right now to secure your slot. And I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can receive more videos on how to make money online and how to build a profitable business. If this interests you, smash on the subscribe button right now, like this video, share this video, and comment in the comment box so that you will be notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.